So we're hoping, fingers, everything crossed here, this fire's up, so I'll pause it now in case it don't, because Carl might do a bit of swearing. Let's have a try of this. Hopefully he's put everything where it should. We've got battery anyway. Light, come on. Good morning. Just had us row. 5 minutes out fire. It's a bit of a wet one this morning. Just get these vans sorted out. This one unloaded, that one unloaded. Then we're going to start this job today. Bolt down Palisade, and where's my gate leaf? We need that gate leaf there. It's another job this afternoon. We're actually calling round to Beach Cliff because we left 2 panels off for him there so he could have access to get his new doors and windows in. And he's lost the bolts that we left in, so we're going to go around and shove them on for him. So, busy day. Oh, this lad's loaded up on the way, flipping heck. It's like bedlam for half an hour. It's been 100 voices all asking stuff and getting loaded. And oh, it's like when they go out at gate, it's like relief. So yeah, Carl's just nipped out of Beach Cliff to get them panels on for Dave down there because he'd lost bolts or something we left him. Hopefully he'll get that done before kids rock up. Then he's going to meet them at your way.
We're down in Cleckeaton. We replaced this gate leaf twice now. So the truck's hit him and right looks of it, twisted all that style. So that gate replaced now. To do a bit of landscaping and sorting these flags out as well, but opens and closes nice now.
Good morning. Tuesday, 10 to 7. Got another fine day. A bit windy. It's been being it down overnight, but it's not too bad at the minute. In the wood. See if we can take that if we get 5 minutes somewhere. If not, we'll have to burn it ourselves. We'll have a bonfire. It's bonfire night, innit? So what we on with? Lads will be back. Oh, it's still on their van anyway, yeah, then it's a bolt down Palisade job. Carry on with that, rest at pails on.
Right, I'll just show you what we've been doing for the last day and a half. Bolt into this pad. We used some big M12 Thunder Kings 100mm. Bolted them down and shimmed them all up. A little bit uneven on there, so I've had to pack it all up, but yeah, we've got a nice line on there. I'm just finishing off here with a bit of razor wire. We've put these corner brackets on there, as you can see. And then this were a bit of a weak spot. This corner here where they were getting in. So I've done a bit of razor wire for a while, but there you go. It's all tied on. Bracket on every post. Yeah, really tidy job. Runs right up till there. Lovely, 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 lovely.
So yeah, me and Carl just landed at Linthwaite here. We're just sussing this timber out. We've had a word with Matt, he don't need us, he's sussed it out himself, so we'd loaded up van up with all this tarmac stuff and we don't need it. I'll let just watch what we're doing here because kids have just come out, but we're coming here with timber round here, round here, round here, round here, and then and there. And there's a little gate going in here. Little job for Carl and the boys. And then there's a bit more on the wall over there, but I can't film that because, like I say, kids have just come out. So I think we'll go around now before we get absconded by all kids and get signed out and get gone. Afternoon, yeah, I've just had a busy morning. Everywhere I've gone this morning, I've been to 3 or 4 different places. For one reason or another, couldn't get a video. Now we're just getting a video of this one. I'm at Cleckeaton at the minute. They sell all like pet food, dog food, all that, and they do logs and blah blah blah. Anyway, I was just chatting to him about a log burner. We've just got in the office, and he said, oh, and he's just come out and give me some free samples of them. Look, he said they're brilliant. He said what there is, they're like horse manure and dust and stuff, and they compress them that hard and they make logs. And he said, yeah, try them. He said they're like a consistent burn. They burn for a while. You don't get any spitting and stuff like the logs, so I know where to get it anyway. But yeah, just getting back to what he wants, round back here, he just wants, there's like a wall that's fallen down a bit that weather's got into it, so he wants to see if we can pull the wall down, which I think it was 7 metres long, and then put like 3 sections of Palisade up instead, so I'm going to price him on that. You're a nice fella actually, yeah. From the Bennells that's been here over 80 years or whatever. Yeah, so I'll get back to office now. Lads have already sent a video, they've finished that one up on Euro Way. So I better get that invoiced when I get back too. Carl's probably made the gate that we need. Hopefully he'll take that to Galv. And what else? Ben's been sorting yard out and burning timber and blah blah blah. Yeah, I shall make my way back now. Oh yeah, lads are going for all timber that they need for the job when they go back to Linthwaite in the morning. So yeah, very busy at the minute, so I shall stop waffling and get back to the office. Now they're wraps up another day at Airedale. That's pretty mild now. Carl and Ben are messing about. Bo's gone on this van again now, so I try to get it off to take it to a place.
That is the last thing we need right now, Mark, I'm going to be honest.
What are you cutting off?
I couldn't. Everything's snapped.
Oh god.
Try to get turbo. Alt bolts are seized, snapped.
Nightmare.
We're back over at Linthwaite Primary School today. Starting the second phase of jobs, which is timber fencing right down bottom of there. I'll show you as a little route we've got to load out. So it's just a 1.8 metre single paling job. I think there's 4 or 5 of these gates to go in as well. Nice steady day. Well, that's his first day on this timber part of the job done. This we're already here, all this. We're just continuing on from here. Down this hill. Out back of this pergola. Out back of there. Returning out here. That's actually a gate opening. There's a gate to go in there just for access for any maintenance. And down here. And then we straddle across this stream here, and then we haven't got gear to bolt that post there, but that's just a bolt on that wall. But I think we're going to do that when we put this fence up, just so we're not clashing. So yeah, we'll update you tomorrow when we're doing a bit more.
Good morning. Friday again already. Seems a really quick week this week for some reason. The lads have gone back over to Linthwaite. Let's hope they don't get stuck on motorway like they did yesterday morning, but they still ended up getting posted what they had to. So they've gone today to pale what they posted yesterday. I think there's 20 odd sections, 1.8 paling, and a gate to get on. So they should have that in today, so it'll be all done. And then next week we've got some more timber to do, some smaller stuff, a bit more 1.8. And then we should be on the railings on the front. We're on the last stretch of it then. I think the railings are ready for Tuesday, Wednesday. But the problem is the gates, because the client who we're working through, the agents, he's meant to be getting somebody to take a bit of a wall down, extend it and take a bit of tarmac away and all sorts, and it hasn't even been started yet. So it's like we can't measure his exact gate to get it fabricated and made, so you've a couple of weeks there, so we'll probably have to pull off for a couple of weeks and then go back. So I shall sort of get counted up what they've done for today, and then get like a valuation invoicing, get paid for what we've done. So we've done 2 weeks works there nearly. Obviously we've done quite a bit, so we need paying, and then we'll have to come back and do the rest later, sort of thing. I'm just finishing up my bits in office. I mean, it is looking good for inquiries still coming in, works and stuff like that. I mean, one that I quite, strangely enough, they all seem to be sort of other sealed away at the minute. I don't know what's going on, but they're working over the side of Huddersfield. Then I've got one that's been on raid, must be 12-18 months now. They've finally come back. The big school job, I think it was about 500 odd metres, and what were there? I think there were 8 gates in total, something like that. They've come back, so that's near Huddersfield, but that's probably going to get done in maybe even next summer holidays. I don't know, but I've just revised the quote on it because they changed the gate requirements on that. So that's that one. Then I've got another one that I'm sort of in the middle of, but we're doing a site visit on Tuesday. That's another school. That's near Rosefield, and that's quite a big gate. That's potentially 3,000 metres. So that'd keep us going for a couple of weeks. And there were a load of gates on that, and a couple of, I think there were an automated gate, yeah, and some access control to a gate, and then a load more of the access gates around site. So yeah, we'll hopefully have a chance at getting that one.
There's one of the timber job done. Nice little gate there. I think I'm going to bring a piece of twin mesh as an offcut and just attach it under there, just down to sort of water height. There's a bit of a gap, but it is a stream at the end of the day.
Oof, busy morning that's been. When I said earlier, I think that job I've got to see is in Ripon. I thought with their other school part trust. This one was right up in Airedale. I realised when I got halfway there that I'd been before. So it was like an hour and 10-15 minutes, but there was a bit of traffic, so it literally took me an hour and a half there, hour and a half back. 3 hour round trip, I'm absolutely shattered. And I realised when I got there, I'd been up there and I quoted a load. They were taking some existing fencing down, replacing with 358. Anyway, it had all been done. I said, oh, I quoted that, didn't I? He said, oh yeah. I said, well, who did it? Oh, some firm up Darlington. I said, oh, right. So I'm thinking myself, I wasted my time coming all the way up here again. He's just getting his 3 quotes. But anyway, I've been now. So I've got that to quote. Probably unlikely I'm going to get it if they've got somebody up that way. I'm just going to catch up now with emails that have come in since I've been gone. Been talking to lads as I've been on the road. I think they'll be done in an hour, so probably back here, and then they're going to just strip vans down and give them a clean and clean inside, stuff like that. Bit of bonus footage here. Good job we've got mechanic types. Carl and Ben have been doing this. Bloody heat shield off a turbo. Anyway, they've got a new turbo. Ben got it yesterday. And he's literally just fitted it, look, so he's just got a couple of, I'm just videoing you here. I just say it's good job. Good job we've got good mechanic types in his company. This would have cost us an arm and a leg at shop. You got that in pretty quick, to be fair, mate, haven't you?
It's only cost us a finger and a toe.
Yeah, I just think we're getting old one out. All bloody bolts were sheared, which were a nightmare. Have they gone in all right? Have you had to tap them?
Yeah,
then or something? Yeah,
extract and all sorts.
So we're hoping, fingers, everything crossed here, this fire's up, so I'll pause it now in case it don't, because Carl might do a bit of swearing. Right, let's have a try of this. Hopefully he's put everything where it should. We've got battery anyway. Light, come on. All right. Yeah, sounds all right in here. I think we're fixed. That's the engine management lights on, but they might have to put his thing on and just knock that off. But yeah, it sounded good, did that. I'm calling that a win anyway. I think I might call it here because, like I say, I'm just going to bury my head in PC for an hour, so there's not a lot exciting to film, apart from we did get our logs. I did have it lit a minute ago, but look, we've got all those logs now. It's actually nice when they start burning. I'm just going to get that lit again, make myself a brew and get my head stuck in. So I shall call it here. If you like what we do, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below, and we'll see you next time. Have a good week. Thank you. Bye.